All right, we're gonna put together our own homemade Italian seasoning. So we're gonna start with 3 teaspoons of dried basil, 2 teaspoons of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, 1 teaspoon of dried sage, and 2 teaspoons of ground marjoram. Now we're just going to whisk these together. We're going to store this in an airtight container. So I have a little jar here, and then my little funnel. We're going to add that in. This will keep for months since it's already made out of dried ingredients.